Hey friend, ever sat down to do something important on your computer, only to find that your mouse scroll wheel just stopped working? Super annoying, right? Whether it's scrolling way too fast, lagging like crazy, or not responding at all. We've all been there. But don't worry, in this quick guide, I'll walk you through how to fix mouse scroll wheel issues in a way that actually works. First, let's figure out what might be going wrong. Is your scroll wheel laggy, jumpy, or totally dead? The issue could be as simple as dirt and dust trapped inside, or it could be something in your computer settings, messing things up. Some people even accidentally turn on weird settings they didn't know existed. Don't worry, I've done it too. Let's start with the easiest fix: cleaning. Yeah, I know it sounds basic, but trust me, it can help. Turn off your mouse and gently use a can of compressed air to blow around the scroll wheel. You can also use a toothpick or a soft brush to get rid of anything stuck under it. Don't pour any liquid in there. We're not washing dishes, we're saving your mouse. Still not working? No worries. Let's move on to software. Go into your computer's settings on Windows, head to mouse settings via the control panel or the search bar. On Mac, you'll find it under System Preferences greater than Mouse. From there, check if your scroll is set to something weird, like scroll in active windows or reverse scrolling. Sometimes the scroll speed is set too high or too low, which can make the wheel feel broken even though it's not. If nothing looks weird there, it might be a driver issue. Go to Device Manager, find your mouse, and right-click to update the driver. Sometimes your system just needs a little nudge to recognize the scroll wheel again. If you're on a Mac, try restarting with the mouse unplugged, then plug it back in after the system boots up. And here's a secret trick that works way more often than you'd think. Plug your mouse into a different USB port. Sounds silly, but sometimes ports just act up, especially if you're using a USB hub. If you've tried all this and you're still stuck wondering how to fix mouse scroll wheel, it might be a mechanical issue. If your mouse is old or has taken a few tumbles, the internal scroll mechanism might just be worn out. At that point, unless you're into soldering and replacing parts, it might be time for a new mouse. But hey, at least now you know what's wrong. So to sum up, cleaning, checking settings, updating drivers, and testing different ports are your best bets. And that is the simple truth behind how to fix mouse scroll wheel problems. No tech degree required.